Now, even after the NDA's seat-sharing formula was declared yesterday with all major leaders of the alliance in attendance, India today has learned that the Lok Janashakti Party is not happy with the number of seats allocated to it. Sources suggest that the seat-sharing was to take into consideration performances of parties in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों कर रहे हैं? नाराजगी की बात कहने के लिए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
अभी जब मैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करूंगा उसमें स्थिति को स्पष्ट कर दूंगा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों हो रही है।
पासवान जी, एक खबर आती है कि 40 सीटों पे आप संतुष्ट नहीं है। संतुष्ट है 40 सीटों पे।
पार्लियामेंटी बोर्ड के चेयरमैन चिराग पासवान हैं, उन सारी चीजों को देख रहे हैं। मैं कभी मीडिया के सामने आया ही नहीं हूँ।
बात करते हैं आप लोग।
थैंक यू, वो कहेंगे ना, बिल्कुल छोड़ेंगे, कहेंगे। ठीक है, ठीक है।
नाराजगी की खबर आ रही है, कोई नाराजगी है?
कहाँ नाराजगी था? देखो, माननीय रामविलास जी देश के कद्दावर सुलझे हुए जननेता है। राजनीति में कई प्रकार की, जब अलग अलग पार्टी चलाते हैं, अलग अलग संगठन चलाते हैं, कई विषय रहती है। और हम कल खुद स्वयं रामविलास जी ने कहा था कि एनडीए को जिताना है, बिहार में एक नई सरकार बनानी है, एनडीए को जिताना है। पूरा एनडीए उस काम पे लग चुका है। बाकी जब सीट की बंटवारा होती है, सारा विषय तो थोड़ा थोड़ा एंगल रहता है, उसको तो आपसी बातचीत में सुलझाया जाता है। हमारे वहाँ एकजुट पूरा है।
आप नाराज हैं, क्या है?
आज आपने क्या कहा है कि रामविलास जी खुश नजर आ रहे हैं?
भाई, रामविलास जी देश के कद्दावर जननेता है। हम उनसे जब भी मिलते हैं हमको स्वयं ही खुश हो जाते हैं, हमको प्रेरणा मिलती है। इसलिए ऐसा कोई ये आप लोगों की
मांग रखी है रामविलास जी ने?
कोई मांग नहीं है।
नहीं, इनकी तरफ से ये कहा जा रहा है कि जो इनको वादा किया गया था रात में, उस दिन 1 बजे रात में, उस वादे के मुताबिक कल घोषणा नहीं हुई है।
ऐसा कुछ नहीं किसी ने कहा। रामविलास जी एनडीए के कद्दावर नेता है। उनकी मार्गदर्शन पे उनकी बाकी समूचा नेतृत्व कल पार्टी ऑफिस में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके एलानिया कहा है, बिहार में एनडीए को ही जिताना है।
चिराग, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों कर रहे हैं? नाराजगी की बात कहने के लिए प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस।
अभी जब मैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करूंगा उसमें स्थिति को स्पष्ट कर दूंगा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस क्यों हो रही है।
पासवान जी, एक खबर आती है कि 40 सीटों पे आप संतुष्ट नहीं है। संतुष्ट है 40 सीटों पे।
पार्लियामेंटी बोर्ड के चेयरमैन चिराग पासवान हैं, उन सारी चीजों को देख रहे हैं। मैं कभी मीडिया के सामने आया ही नहीं हूँ।
बात करते हैं आप लोग।
थैंक यू।
Now, despite the tussle over seat sharing behind the scenes, we can clearly see that all the leaders from LJP and the BJP are at the present moment trying to put up a sense and an image of bonhomie on in front of the TV cameras. In fact, you know, why is Ramvilas Paswan actually upset with the seat sharing? The obvious reasons that are already there in public forum are that he is unhappy that Jitan Ram Manjhi has got the number of seats that he has, which is 20 now. But the inside track to the entire episode is this, that there are personal objections that Ramvilas Paswan has to Manjhi's man Narendra Singh. And why is Narendra Singh somebody who's not acceptable or liked by Ramvilas Paswan? That's because Narendra Singh had quit the LJP with 18 MLAs in 2005 and had joined the JDU. That's the reason that Ramvilas Paswan now does not want any favors being given to Narendra Singh. Narendra Singh had in fact also worked against Paswan in the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. That makes Ramvilas Paswan anti-Narendra Singh. The main objection is to Singh's 2 sons and 2 other MLAs, and that is the reason that Ramvilas Paswan, after the final seat sharing formula was disclosed to the reporters, has come out now to the BJP side and told them that he's unhappy. He does not want Narendra Singh's family to contest from Jamui. Remember, Narendra Singh is considered a strong man of Jamui. These are all the details, the inside track of why Ramvilas Paswan and the LJP are unhappy with Jitan Ram Manjhi getting 20 seats to contest from Bihar. Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu is now joining us with more details. Kamal, you know, apart from the obvious reasons, we now have the other reasons as to why Ramvilas Paswan is firmly putting his foot down as far as Jitan Ram Manjhi getting 20 seats to contest from Bihar is concerned. But is the BJP likely to buy these arguments at this stage when they've already put the, they've already burned the midnight oil for several days now trying to get over this crisis?
Maha, Dharmendra Pradhan and Bhupendra Yadav early this morning met the LJP chief Ram Vilas Paswan, but obviously there seems to be a point of contention. Many were saying that BJP has sealed seat sharing. Obviously, BJP getting a major share of 160 seats, LJP 40, RLSP 23, and obviously Hindustani Awam Morcha getting 20 seats. And now that is one of the factors which has really upset the LJP. The change in equation, they wanting to fight on more seats. Hindustani Awam Morcha getting more number of seats, and obviously the prominence being shared. And remember, at this point of time, when BJP is trying to reach out to LJP, an important alliance partner, they want to show a joint NDA together. This is what the Congress party yesterday, along with its allies, were taking a pot shot at. That at a crucial juncture where the BJP wants to put a united face, and this is the first chance they have at the formation. Now with Manjhi also, we've seen them sharing an uneasy equation because Manjhi had backed off as CM, remember, at the time of trust vote.
Yes.
So getting all these people together, especially these alliance partners, and their changing equation is something which is going to be very, very crucial for BJP.
Right.
But at this point of time, Chirag Paswan all set to do a press conference.
Yes.
There was a certain pacification which was coming from the BJP, but it doesn't seem to have worked with LJP at this point of time.
All right, Kamal May, thanks for joining us with those details. The picture will be a little more clear when Chirag Paswan addresses a press conference in just a short while.